An intense rainstorm which swept everything in its path, including these cars and these outdoor chairs. The flash floods hit the Spanish town of Alcanar, located about 200 kilometers south of Barcelona, on Wednesday. Over 215 litres per square metre fell on the Mediterranean town for 12 hours straight, leaving thousands of people without electricity. Local authorities have urged people to stay at home. Meanwhile, rescue operations are underway and several roads have been cut off. Other areas in Spain, including Madrid, have also been hit by heavy rain, resulting in traffic jams and disruption to public transport services.